Let me show you how to create fast forward, slow motion, and speed ramping video using CapCut. Let's go. First is fast forward videos. Go to CapCut and click on create. Then you select the video that you want to fast forward. Tap on it and click on add. And here's your video on your timeline. All you need to do is scroll through the icons below, click on speed, tap on normal, and then you increase the speed. You can see that as I increase it, it reduces the length of my video. You can see the length is from 59 to 18, 59 to 29. So if you want to reduce it even more, that is to make the video even faster, you can drag it. But for this, I'll just leave it at, I'll leave it at 14. That's 4.1 or 4.0. Click on the check icon and let me play what we have. So it just makes everything faster in your video. So if you're creating a video where maybe you're showing a process or something and you want it to go very fast, this is how to do this. And once you're done, click on the export icon and save your video to your gallery. Next is the slow motion video. Here's how to do it. You click on create, select the video that you want to slow down, this one, and click on add one. Once you bring it to your timeline, tap on your video to highlight it. Scroll through the icons below and click on speed, click on normal, and this time you're not increasing it, you're reducing the speed. And as you reduce the speed, you can see that the length of your video will increase. So it was 9.1, and the more I increase it, the more I reduce the speed, the more it increases the length of my video. So I'll leave it at 0.5. Once you've done that, you click on the check icon, and this is what we'll have. You can see I'm walking slowly. This is how to create your slow motion video. Once you're done, you click on the save icon and save it to your gallery. Next, I'm going to show you how to create a speed ramp video. A speed ramp video has both the fast forward and the slow motion in one place. You see those videos where someone is dancing and they dance fast and they are slow. This is really fun. Let me show you how to do this. You click on create, select the video you want to work on, this one, click on add, tap on your video, scroll through the icons below, click on speed, and instead of clicking on normal, you click on curve. This is where you can create your speed ramp, but these are the speed ramp that have already been created for you. So you can create custom or use any of the ones here, the montage, hero, bullet, jump cut, flash in and flash out. So let me just show you. You can see the montage, that's how it is. Let's use hero, bullet. The jump cut is my favorite. You can see how it turned me very fast and continued with the slow motion. That is why I love the jump cut. I use it almost all the time. And then the flash out. So if we're going to work on this video, what I'm going to use is the jump cut, and I don't even need to adjust any part because it just flows well. But if you want to adjust it, you just click on it, and this is where you can adjust it. You can drag it. So when you drag it down, you reduce the speed. When you drag it up, you increase the speed. So we can drag this down. You can just do it how you want it to be. So like I said, if it's down, it's slow motion. If it's up, it's fast forward. And if it's in the middle, it's the normal speed. but I'm just going to reset this. And you can also click on smooth slow motion just to smoothen it. You can select either the faster process, or the better quality. I'll always go for the better quality. So if you want that, click on it. But for this, I don't want to do anything. I feel like if I adjust it myself, I'll mess it up because I already like what it gave me. The fast forward came at the perfect timing. So I'll just reset it to this and click on the check icon. So this is how to create a speed ramping video. And like I said, you can also come to custom and customize your own. So if you want some parts slow, the beginning part, if you want it slow, if you want it to go fast a bit, if you want it to come slow, you can also add a beat where you want it to be. But make sure that where you add the beat is where this playhead is, so you can add it. So add a bit here and make it. But just take your time, go through it and create what you want depending on the video that you want to create. And once you're done, click on the check icon. This is how to create a speed ramping video. And once you're done, save it and you find your video in your gallery. Let me know if you'll be recreating this in your next video. And watch this video right here where you learn 5 really cool text effects that you can use as your visual hook or even text hook to create high quality videos that hooks your audience at the beginning of your video and get them to watch all through. Click on it and I'll see you there. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.